Grab a resistance band if your leg and glute are already strong. Beginners, feel free to grab the band for this one. Start with your feet together and place your hands on your hips. Lean forward slightly at about a 15-degree angle. Make sure your standing legs stay perfectly straight and crowded. Take a deep breath to fill your belly. As you exhale, squeeze that core tightly and kick your legs straight back. If you feel that bend right in your glute, you are nearly it. Do 10 reps on each side and for 3 sets. Let's work.
Find the flow.